The 3-in-1 badminton shuttlecock is composed of cork, an artificial feather frame, and short feather. The 3-in-1 shuttlecock has over 15 invention patents in the world, including China, the United States, Europe, South Korea, the Philippines, India, and Bangladesh. It is the only intelligent production base of 3-in-1 shuttlecock in the world, Anthony Sawy Sports Goods Company Limited. Please follow my shots and take a look at the production process and craftsmanship of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock. Now I will take you to the first step in the production of 3-in-1 shuttlecock feather sorting. These feather pieces are made by professional manufacturer to cut a large feather into a short piece for the 3-in-1 shuttlecock according to the technical parameters. These white short feathers all look beautiful, but from the professional perspective of our 3-in-1 shuttlecock, they are not perfect. We must identify each pieces, remove those doesn't confirm the standard, and at the same time classify qualified short feather according to the grade. Only by strictly categorizing short feathers according to standards, the 3-in-1 shuttlecocks are neat and uniform. Now we enter the production workshop of the core component of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock, artificial feather stand. This injection molded artificial feather stand also need to be strictly quality inspection and then directly put into a small tube for use. Now let us enter the 3-in-1 shuttlecock production workshop together. This is the 3-in-1 shuttlecock intelligent production equipment. On this machine, after 6 procedures, only 90 seconds a 3-in-1 finished shuttlecock is completed. This is the cork sent into the fixture. A circle groove is opened on the cork, and environmentally friendly glue is injected into the circle groove of the cork. The next process is to press the artificial feather stand into the circle groove, and then pour the glue into the stand for each pour. Then insert the short feather into the hole of the stand. The last step is to stick the green tape on the surface of the cork. 3-in-1 shuttlecocks are completed. 3-in-1 shuttlecock is the simplest badminton production process in the world. The working master only explained to me in less than 1 minute and I can make 3-in-1 shuttlecock by myself. Next, I will operate a few 3-in-1 shuttlecock. This is the 3-in-1 shuttlecock. I personally made it. How about it? It looks good, doesn't it? The 3-in-1 badminton production process has been very simplified. The process indicators of the entire production process are controlled by the machine, and the technical index is set by the mold. Therefore, the 3-in-1 badminton is the only industrialized badminton in the world. This is the shipping board specially for 3-in-1 shuttlecock badminton. The concave part are plenty of circular concave down cones, and the convex part are circular convex cones. A newly produced 3-in-1 shuttlecock is placed into the concave down cones and then covered in the convex cone. The first inspection is finished as the 3-in-1 shuttlecock is clamped identically in between the two cones, which makes the glue solid and the feather tips all pair in the same circle. The rounds of the whole shuttlecock is ensured as soon as the glue solidified completely. The shaping ports are neatly placed on the shaping rack. After 24 hours shaping, 3-in-1 shuttlecock are pushed into tubes by this machine, 48 ones, this to prevent 3-in-1 shuttlecocks from squeezing or deforming. Now let's take a look together how to test the 3-in-1 shuttlecock. The first is to test the flight stability and speed. Here is the 3-in-1 shuttlecock beating machine, and each 3-in-1 shuttlecock is beaten by the same power of the machine. The shuttlecocks fly in the air in parabolic trajectory. Flight stability test. A professional observes the parabolic entire flight of 3-in-1 shuttlecock. They determine its flight stability. The flight status can be divided into A, B, C, D. A flight is the best stable, and B flight is good stable. The third is C, of course. D flight is the worst. The 3-in-1 shuttlecock has very good consistency and standardization of the production process. There are very few C and D flights. The flight stability test is checked by professional, and very few C balls are eliminated. This is a technical job, and the inspectors must undergo strict professional training before they can take up their jobs. I can make 3-in-1 badminton, but I cannot participate in stability testing. Flight speed measurement. This is a special device of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock speed test. The above is designated as a flight speed every 3 centimeters. As you can see, it's marked with 74, 75, 76, 77. This number corresponds to the shuttlecock we use. Speed mark on the tubes. If the speed on the barrel you use is 76, then it's shuttlecock in the range of 76. The speed range of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock parabolic flight and falling into the range is marked on the barrel. Now, I will take you to the first step in the production of 3-in-1 shuttlecock, feather sorting. Here is the final quality control of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock. The quality inspector combs the feeder flaps of the 3-in-1 shuttlecock to check whether the glue is perfect. At the same time, very few feathers that didn't meet the standards were replaced. Replacing the feather flap is a nightmare for traditional shuttlecock. I believe Badminton insists will have this experience. Traditional shuttlecock is used within a few minutes and 1 or 2 pieces easy to be broken. Although the other pieces are intact, this shuttlecock shakes so badly it can be used after being scrapped. However, there is no way to replace this broken feather. The 3-in-1 shuttlecock has structures that simply replace feathers. The master's method of changing the feather was so quick, and it was as dazzling as magic. Of course, it's easy to replace the feather. I can also show you how to replace new feather pillow. In the first step, use pillars to gently clamp the ducting tube to loosen the glue. Then, clamp the feathers and quickly pull it out. The unqualified feather pieces are plucked out, and then the new one tips in the little glue and insert it into the loops. It becomes a new qualified 3-in-1 shuttlecock. So easy. If your 3-in-1 shuttlecock has a few pieces that are still useful after being used for a period of time, you can pull out the broken pieces according to my method, and then remove them from the other used 3-in-1 shuttlecock. Unplug the still unusable material from the 3-in-1 shuttlecock and then plug it in. A rebuilt 3-in-1 shuttlecock is completed. This 3-in-1 badminton that you created yourself, you can still be played for a while. To give it a try, the experience of this process is very interesting. Now the 3-in-1 badminton enters the final process labeling and packaging. First of all, we have to put a small annual label inside each 3-in-1 shuttlecock. This is a 3-in-1 shuttlecock annual label special machine. Workers put 12 pieces small labeled 3-in-1 shuttlecock into the tube and cover them. The second step is to use an automatic filming machine to cover the colorful external labels, and after heat shrinking, pack them into boxes. 3-in-1 shuttlecock is the only patent product in the world, and we also undertake the task of OEM. These paper outer labels are completed by another machine, then covered with PET shrink film, and then completed by a heat shrinking machine.